Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Hole Saw Set is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any DIYer's or professional's arsenal, capable of tackling a wide range of cutting tasks with precision and efficiency, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for projects big and small. Number 5. HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit. This is the HYCHIKA 19-piece hole saw kit, designed to meet all your cutting needs. It includes everything you need for various projects. The saw blades are crafted from heat-treated carbon steel with a protective black surface. This ensures they cut quickly, resist rust, and remain durable for extended use. These blades are perfect for soft wood, plywood, drywall, and PVC. They offer reliable performance on a variety of workpieces, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. Experience fast and efficient cutting with this set. The sharp blades and thoughtful design allow for precise cuts up to 25 mm deep. Everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy, compact storage box. This makes it incredibly easy to store and transport your tools wherever your work takes you. Inside the box, you'll find 13 saw blades in various sizes, 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, an installation plate, and a hex key. It's a complete package for any DIY enthusiast or professional. What we like. This set comes with a generous 19 accessories, offering great value. Its carbon steel blades are designed for fast and durable cutting. If you are looking for a versatile and budget-friendly option for soft woods, plywood, drywall, and PVC, this is a solid choice for general DIY projects. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Saw Set is a great addition to any toolbox, offering a wide range of sizes for various applications. The teeth on these hole saws are sharp and durable, making clean cuts through wood and other materials. The included pilot bit is sturdy and accurately guides the hole saw, preventing wandering and ensuring precise holes. Number 4. ASNOMY TCT Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the ASNOMY TCT Hole Saw Kit, designed for superior performance on tough materials. Experience precision and durability like never before. Crafted with high-quality TCT carbide cutters and a titanium-plated pilot drill bit, this set offers exceptional hardness and rust resistance. It's built to withstand demanding tasks. This kit provides a wide range of cutting diameters, from 5/8 to 2/1/8, with a 1-inch cutting length and a 2/5-inch shank diameter. It's perfect for drilling into various hard metals. Featuring a unique 3-blade design with outer, middle, and inner blades, it ensures sharper and more efficient cutting. Tackle hard metals with ease. Ideal for use with bench drills and magnetic drills, it excels on hard metal, stainless steel, iron, wood, and plastic. Please note, it's not suitable for concrete or stone. Achieve clean, round holes with its high-precision TCT carbide steel teeth. It's designed for compatibility with various drilling machines, making your work simpler. This comprehensive set includes 10 TCT hole saws, 2 extra pilot drill bits, and 2 hex wrenches, all neatly organized in a protective aluminum case. Each bit is also oiled to prevent rust. What we like. Engineered with tungsten carbide tipped cutters and a unique 3-blade design, this set excels in cutting hard materials. If you frequently work with metal, stainless steel, or tough plastics and need precision and efficiency, this is the tool for you. Its high-grade pilot drill bit ensures accuracy on challenging surfaces. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Saw Set is a great addition to my toolbox. It cuts through wood and plastic like butter. I was impressed with the sharpness of the teeth on these hole saws. They made quick work of a tough job. The variety of sizes included in this set is fantastic. I was able to find the perfect size for every hole I needed to drill. Number 3. Milwaukee 49-22-4185 Ice Hardened Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee 49-22-4185 Hole Saw Kit. This professional-grade set is designed for ease of use and exceptional durability, making your toughest job simpler. Experience up to 50% longer life compared to other options, thanks to our advanced ice-hardened technology. This means fewer replacements and more work done. The teeth are crafted from matrix 2 bimetal, ensuring superior durability for extended use. You can rely on these to withstand demanding applications. Achieve faster cuts with the positive rake angle and efficient chip removal facilitated by deeper gullets. This design keeps your work moving smoothly. The functional slot geometry is engineered for effortless plug removal. This feature saves you time and hassle after each cut. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this kit embodies quality and longevity. Invest in a tool that's built to perform and last. What we like. This professional-grade kit is ice-hardened for significantly longer life compared to competitors. Featuring Matrix 2 bimetal teeth for superior durability and a positive rake angle for fast cutting, it's built for demanding tasks. If you prioritize longevity and performance in tough applications, this is the ultimate choice for professionals. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Saw Set is a great addition to my tool collection. It cuts through wood and metal with ease, and the teeth are very sharp and durable. I was impressed with the variety of sizes included in this set. It has all the common sizes I need for my projects, and they are all well organized in a sturdy case. The pilot bit is very effective at keeping the hole saw centered, which makes for clean and precise cuts. I also appreciate the quick release feature, which makes it easy to swap out different sizes. Number 2. Milwaukee 49-22-4025 Hole Dozer Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee 13-piece general-purpose Hole Dozer Hole Saw Kit. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. You'll find it incredibly easy to use and handle. Its intuitive design makes any job simpler. This tool is built for durability. You can rely on its robust construction for long-lasting performance. It's perfect for a wide range of general-purpose applications. Tackle various tasks with confidence. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need. Experience the quality and reliability Milwaukee is known for. What we like. Designed for general-purpose use, this kit is incredibly easy to handle and operate. Its high durability ensures it can withstand regular use. If you need a reliable and straightforward hole saw set for a variety of common tasks without complex features, this is an excellent, user-friendly option. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Saw Set is a great addition to any toolbox, offering a wide range of sizes for various cutting needs. The teeth on these hole saws are incredibly sharp and durable, making clean cuts through wood and other materials with ease. The included pilot bit is well designed and centers the hole saw accurately, preventing walking and ensuring precise hole placement. Number 1. Milwaukee 4-1/4 inches. Big Hawg Carbide Hole Saw. Introducing the Milwaukee Big Hawg Carbide Hole Saw. Experience unparalleled cutting power for your toughest jobs. Crafted with durable carbide, this tool ensures precision and longevity. Get clean cuts every time. Its robust design is perfect for cutting through demanding materials. Tackle any project with confidence. Enjoy smooth and efficient operation. This hole saw makes challenging cuts feel effortless. Trusted by professionals, it delivers reliable performance. Upgrade your toolkit with this essential cutting solution. What we like. This is a specialized, large-diameter carbide hole saw from Milwaukee's Big Hawg series. If your project requires cutting very large holes, particularly in wood, this is the go-to tool. Its carbide teeth are designed for aggressive material removal, making it ideal for specific, large-scale applications. What people say. This hole saw set is great for cutting through wood and drywall. The teeth on these hole saws are very sharp and cut cleanly. I was impressed with how quickly these hole saws cut through material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.